Hi, welcome to PG Code Designs, where we provide easy, simple design tutorials for beginners. Today we're going to be working on a simple digital email signature that you can use in your email to send to clients and customers, and it makes a really good impression, and this is a really nice, simple design that you can get going with today. So, if you like this kind of content and you're interested in more tutorials like this, please go ahead and click the subscribe button. So today I'm going to be using the PicMaker design tool. If you'd like to use the template that we've provided for this email signature, go ahead and click the link below in the description box. That's a free template that you can use and just insert your information and you'll be good to go. If you'd like to go ahead and create a template from scratch, you'll just go to your main dashboard once you've created your PicMaker account and go to the Create, and you're going to go ahead and click Custom Size, and you're going to put in 400 by 200 pixels, and you're going to create that design. And then you'll have a nice artboard to work from here. However, today I am going to go ahead and use that email signature template that we've provided for you. So go ahead and download that if you'd like. So this is what we should end up with. I'm going to go ahead and create a new slide so you can take a look at how easily this is done. I like this blush color, it's really beautiful, but I'm going to go ahead and use a white color just so you can see how it would look with a seamless white background email as well. So we're going to be working on the image section first, and an image is such a great way to connect with your clients via email. So let's just go ahead and get that started. So you're going to go ahead and go to your objects menu. And when you go to the objects, you're going to click on elements, and let me just erase that. I had the line there. You're going to go to the frame options. You can either type in frame or just go ahead and scroll down and you'll see the frames there. And the frame just gives you a nice way to just make your image fit certain dimensions, and it's uniform, and it's a really good way to do that. So for the first one, I use the circle frame. I think on this one, I'm just going to go ahead and use a square frame just to do something a little different. Make it a little smaller here. Now, if you have a headshot, a professional headshot, that's great. Or even if you wanted to put your logo on this side of the design, you could also do that. So if you do have a logo, go ahead and click upload and upload your logo here. If you have a headshot, you can also upload it there as well. I'm going to go ahead and use this image. I typed in headshot here and see what I came up with. And there's a few images here. So I'm just going to go ahead and use this one. But of course, you'll use your own professional headshot. And once you have your image uploaded, you're just going to slide it over into that frame and see how it just slots in really nicely there for a nice clean look. Okay, and then we're going to just give the title here. So whatever you would like to add here, whether it's just your name or if you'd like to add your title here. You can do that. And then I'm just going to center it to the image. And I like that PicMaker has those automatic guidelines to tell you when you're centered. And I'm just going to space out the characters. So I just went to the line height menu option. I'm going to space out the characters just to give the text a little room to breathe. And you see how that opened it up. And that looks really great. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and make this divider line. So we have the photo image section, and then we're going to work on our context section. So if you go ahead and go to your objects again, click off the frame, go to your elements, and you're going to look for the line. And I'm going to go ahead and use that one. I'm going to rotate it to 90 degrees. There you go. thinner, stretch it out, let's line it up here, and then we're going to change the color just to a basic black, just for a black and white theme here. All right, so then we are going to work on our contacts information here. And like I said, if you wanted to use your logo on the image section, you could do that. I'm going to put my logo up above here. So you can go ahead and upload your logo here. If you do have a logo, the ideal is that you'd have it with a transparent background. That way that if you decide to use various colors on your email signature, that it wouldn't conflict with what your logo design is. Okay, so we'll leave it like that for now, and then I'm going to go and get this text block here. Of course, you can go over to the text and feel free to just add a text here and play around with that. I'm going to use one of these templates here just to make it a bit quicker. So this is a contact us template, but we can use it for our own purposes here. Let me move it over a little. I'm going to line it up. And I'm going to go ahead and ungroup that. You do that by clicking this button right here. I don't need this part here. And then just put your own details in there. So whatever your email is. And in another video, I will show you how to go ahead and add your social media icons there. But for now, we're gonna leave it at just email and website. Okay. So go ahead and put your contact information that you want there. Okay, and then let's just align that up, make that a bit bigger for a really nice, simple layout that's clear and easy to understand. It's not too complicated, and it communicates the information that you want to your customers just as you'd like it. So to go ahead and download that, you just go up to the upper right corner to the download menu. So click download, and you're going to download as a PNG. So you go into your settings here in order to upload the email template you just created. So I've uploaded here into the signature section of my email. So to do that, you just create new, and you name that whatever you'd like, whatever name. I've called it template 1 and template 2. And then you go ahead and create, and you'll have the option to upload that here, and then you insert your image here. So when you insert your image, you'll get your image here, and then you're going to highlight that image. Let me go to the template we're actually working on here, and then you're going to highlight that image like that. And then you're going to click on the link option here. Let's do that again. There we go, link. And then you want it to go to whichever web address that you prefer. And then you click OK. And then you go ahead and save that down below. You save your changes. And that is it. So just to show you how that would work, when you've sent it out to your customers, we've got two options here. This is the second one, the one that we just worked on. You've emailed that. It looks nice, beautiful, clean, simple email that communicates what you want it to communicate. You go ahead and click, and it will redirect to wherever you sent it to. So in our case, we've sent it to our website here. And this is the other option that we had, the other template. If you decided to use that template, you can also be made clickable in the same way. So if you like this kind of content, like I said, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and please give me an idea of what other videos you might like to see and what other kind of designs you might like to see. Thanks again for watching.